Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I have a new Walmart clearance haul to share with you today, guys. I'm so excited to share this with you because it really makes me happy. So, without further ado, let me share with you what I got. First thing I have here, this one is not from clearance aisle, but my husband bought it for me, and this is from Walmart. And he gets Stitch, guys. It makes me happy. It makes me so happy. It's a big one, and as you can see, it has the label here. And yeah, it's a Stitch plush. I've been eyeing on this. I've been looking on it. I keep on going. I keep on looking on this every time I go to Walmart, but I'm not buying it because for me it's quite expensive. But earlier, when we're shopping or getting some items that we need from the house, in the house, I don't know what to say because I'm so excited. And I just saw this in my cart. My husband get it for me. So yeah, he bought this for me. I'm so happy with that. Look how big it is. This is awesome. Yeah, so here's the back. I don't know if the size is included here. I know I am not young anymore, but I still have the child inside me. So yeah, this small things will make me happy. So he got this for me, and this one it says all new material polyester. It doesn't have the size, but it's big. Not for children under 3 years. So I am more than 3 years, way more than 3 years old. So he get this one for me because he knows I love Stitch. So he picked it up for me, guys. Isn't that cute? I'm so happy with it. All right, moving on. I got three of this Better Homes and Garden. This one is from the clearance aisle and retail price of $5 each, but I only paid $3 each because of the clearance. And this one is the big size, 12 by 15 by 12. So that's the size right there. So it's a good deal that I got it for $3. So I pick it up. I pick four of this. So here you go. Here are the rest of it. All right, next item I have here. This one is also from the clearance. I got this Dr. Scholl's Flats Invisible Cushioning insoles. But this is I can also put this inside my shoes, and this is only $3. Retail price of $8.37. So get one of that. Next, I also get this one, the plantar fascial sleeves, and this one says ideal for day or night use, multi-zone compression, lifts and support plantar fascia, 100% money back guarantee. Retail price of $4.50, but I only paid $3. So I get this one in small size. I also get the XL size, and hubby already wearing it. So yeah, this is kind of cool for $3. So I picked that up. Next item here, also from the clearance aisle. Hubby needs this, so we picked this up, and this is the Pro Surge protector, and this is the what you call this, power cord or extension, and it is 8 feet long. It's extra long cord with flat plug. So yeah, for $7, retail price of $15.50, but we only pay $7. From 15, I'm going to share with you this again, guys. All right, so here we go. The retail price actually is $17.48. I don't know why it's not focusing. Here you go. It was $17.48. They mark it down to $15.50, and then from $15.50 they mark it down to $7. So we just got it for $7. And it has 6 protected outlets, automatic shutdown technology, number one in surge protection, and it has lifetime warranty. Cool. And this is by GE. So yeah, we pick this up. Next item here, I got this clay slingshot. What they call this, ammo. It's a clay slingshot ammo, but I am not going to use this as ammo. I will use this for a base filler because yeah, I have this pencil holder that is a cat, and it's quite deep, so I am gonna need to fill it with some beads so I can it will lift my pens a little bit. So I'm just gonna use this as a filler for my base. And this is only $3. I only pay $3, but retail price is $7.96. So it's a good deal than getting more of the beads that I need for my what you call this, that I need for my pen holder. Next item I have here is this hangers. It's a 10 pack of mainstays non-slip slim plastic hangers, and I only pay retail price of $7.27, but I only paid $3.50. So I get this one. I love using this for my husband's shirt, so I get that. Next, I get another set of this kind of no muffin microfiber brief. It's by Blissful Benefits Warners, and this one in small size, comes in 3-pack. So I get another 3 sets of this in different colors. And retail price of $12.96, but I only paid $3 for each of this. So I get this. So yeah, every time they have like a clearance for underwear, hey, I will grab it. Underwear will not spoil. So, and we can also we can oh we I keep on changing my underwear every season, of course. So every time they have clearance, I will grab it within affordable price. So yeah, so I get all these 3. And the last item I have here is this mainstay bath towel. It says here cotton rich. I love the color of this. Look at that. This is less than $3, guys. It's just $2.96 for this beautiful and big. This is a big towel. So I get this one in purple. I also get this one in gray. I love that lining there. And the one in green. How pretty it is. So yeah. And there you have it, guys. That is my Walmart haul to share with you today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Finger Wonderland. Until the next time, guys. Thank you all for watching. God bless everyone. Bye for now. See you on the next vlog.